Welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Today I am going to be teaching you how to earn free crypto on crypto.com. They have a crypto earn feature, and if you own crypto, you should be using the crypto earn feature. Otherwise, you are leaving money on the table. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't already, please click on subscribe. Guys, my goal is to get at least 200 subscribers by the end of the month. Please help me get to my goal. Please help me reach my goal. Please share this video with someone that you love and care about, because it will make them money. It'll also make you money. Also, turn on your notifications. You've got to have the YouTube app on your device in order for you to see the notification bell, and that way you'll be sure to get all of my videos as soon as they come out on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on how to earn free crypto on crypto.com. First, make sure you are at the accounts tab. The first thing you do, click on the accounts. Second thing, click on crypto earn. Next, you want to click that plus sign in the circle, the blue plus sign, click it. Next, it depends on what crypto do you want to deposit so you can earn crypto for. For this example, I'm going to be using Seller Network, and I'm using that because that is the token that I use as an example to show you all how to become a crypto millionaire. So a lot of times going forward, I'll just be showing you my Seller Network account so you all can keep track. And I hope that you've watched the series, How to Become a Crypto Millionaire. If you haven't, you need to watch that right away. Okay, so Seller Network. The next thing I'm going to do when this page comes up, you've got three options. You got to select your term. Flex means there is no lockup period. If you select flex, that means you can unlock this or unstake this at any time. There is no lockup period. You can do it every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 1 minute, every day, whatever. But as you can see, you earn a lot less in percentage, right? The other thing is, if you have a crypto.com card, and I do, I have a crypto.com Visa debit card, that entitles me to earn a little bit more extra interest on my crypto earn. So you may want to consider getting a crypto.com Visa debit card. They've got all kinds of tiers, okay? Once you select which option, flex, 1 month or 3 month, the thing to remember is that whatever you select is what you select. There's nothing else that you can get, okay? Next thing you're going to do, read and accept all terms. Just understand the terms that what you're agreeing to. Next, when this screen comes up, enter in the amount that you want to deposit for your crypto earn. If you look down here, I have a total of 16,004 tokens. And so you can just click there, or you can either enter it in. Once you enter in the amount that you want to deposit from your account, because you can do all of it or you can do some of it. But for Seller Network, just so you know, you've got to stake a minimum of 12,000 tokens. So if you've got less than 12,000 tokens, it will not allow you to stake it. And it'll give you a message, you don't have enough tokens to stake, okay? Now, look at what it says. The asset will be held for 3 months and will be available again April 11th, 2022. So once I click accept or deposit, there is no undoing this. If you're not sure, click the back arrow key. If you think you're going to need access to these funds before April, click the back arrow key, because there's nothing you can do once you lock this money in, okay? Once you lock in these tokens. Once you do that, voila, I've deposited 16,004 tokens. Congratulations. Now I'm already set up for my crypto earn account. Now let's check out, if you want to go back just to see and verify that everything is in place, if you could click on your accounts tab and then click on crypto earn, and you'll see that I actually have 16,004 tokens, and that was the actual day. The day that I bought those tokens was the same day that I did the crypto earn, okay? There you go. You can see that. Next, if you click on Seller Network, you can actually see how much you've earned. After 5 days of buying Seller Network, I paid about $1,029, but this account is already up to $1,500. Yes, in 5 days, my account increased by $500 because Seller Network increased in price, okay? On top of that, you can see the first 5 days, I earned a free 5.2617 tokens. So the token is increasing in price and I'm earning free crypto. You can't beat that with a baseball bat. So you see what I mean about staking? You've got to be using staking and crypto earn in order for you to earn extra free money and your tokens are not at risk. Every 5 days, you're going to get an alert that looks like this. It'll say crypto earn. It'll say, so you can see for seller, I had earned 4.632 because I've got several different seller accounts. Also, I stake. I told you all I have the crypto.com Visa debit. So I actually earn a staking reward from that as well. And I also do use Engine because I own Engine and you can see some rewards there. And you get those from weekly notifications. And so it's just free money. So there's no reason why you are not using crypto.com's crypto earn feature. If you're not, figure out, in terms of your portfolio, your strategy and if you need to have access to your money, but please do not leave free money on the table, guys. I'm telling you, this free crypto adds up. This is a very legitimate way to earn free crypto. So if you haven't already, please start using the crypto earn. That's all I have for you. My name is Ida. I bring you new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Please help me reach my goal of over 200 subscribers by the end of the month. And good luck with all of your crypto investing and good luck on your journey to becoming a crypto millionaire. I am out.